Hello, everybody. I'm Eddie with Motivated Empire, and this is video course 2 of the Instagram Marketing Mastery provided by, like I said earlier, Motivated Empire. In this video, we're going to be talking about content and content creation. We're going to go into how to create your own content as well as how to find content that's already on Instagram. So I hope that you enjoy these videos and that you gain value from them. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you're creating content for your Instagram is find other accounts that are in the niche that you chose that are similar to yours, that are large. We're talking hundreds of thousands, millions of followers, and study them. Study their best posts, the posts that have the most likes and comments and the most views. And once you begin to study them and understand what the niche followers enjoy, you're going to have a lot greater idea of how to grow your account fast based off the successes and the failures of the people who have done it before you. Like I always say, we're not reinventing the wheel here. We're simply making the wheel better. So do your research on the influencers in your niche and in your competitors, and then become better at it. That's the biggest thing. I have done a mixture of creating my own content with an app called Fonto, which we're gonna display here in a few moments. And I also find content from other influencers and repost their content. So there really is no right or wrong way of doing it. There's just you're either gonna go viral and gain followers hard, or you're gonna, not. So really make sure that you're getting the best content possible available to you. And when it comes to captions and call to actions, you just want to keep your captions engaging, open-ended questions that make your audience have to think or react are great because it encourages engagement, obviously. And just being relatable, not being a selfish person, but being somebody that's really providing value in what you're saying and what you're doing. People are on Instagram for entertainment. They don't want to be sold. So when you're creating content for your Instagram page, there's a few options, and Fonto is definitely one of the better options. I have the paid version of Fonto, and I really enjoy this app. So interface is really simple. You're basically gonna click on the camera, and you can do a plain image, which would be black, white, whatever color background that you're going to do, or you can create your own, your own, picture, or picture you found on Instagram, the internet, wherever, photo as your canvas. You can take a photo, and let me reset it real quick. And you can also restore the previous state. You can add different effects. So go back to this. All right. Add items. Say we want to make that a little bit darker. All right. There's a square. It's red. Oh my gosh. What am I going to do? Don't worry about it. Color. Black. Alpha, which is how transparent it is. Hold on. Done. Boom. You see that? Now it's added that gray over. And that way, when you type, it pops more. And it's easier for your reader to see. You can do anything from text, which there's so many fonts. Tons of fonts, and a lot of you guys already know this, so I'm going to keep this quick. But as you can see, the sky's the limit. All right? And that's Fonto. There's all different, kinds of features and functions that you can learn and master. I mean, this is some cool stuff here. So, I mean, come on, think about all the ways that you can market your different products and services. All right, change the theme, etc. So that's Fonto, and definitely I recommend using it for content creation if you're doing your own thing. Okay, here's another method of content creation, and this method is basically by finding a picture from an influencer that you already follow or are aware of. So this is what I just posted 42 minutes ago. We check the insights: 1,700 impressions, 277 likes. It's reached 1,500 people, and its engagements overall 280 with the 3 saves. You know, you can find out what those mean. I mean, Instagram's providing you with a ton of data to analyze, but you know, let's just look at my source, Positive Thinking. They have, you know, a good amount of followers compared to their posts. They're not following a lot of people, and they're going, you know, viral. They're getting good value. So I find, you know, sources, whether it's the explore page, of viral material that's going to hopefully go viral for me. You know, if it goes viral for somebody else, then there's a good chance it's going to go viral for you. So that's what you're looking for, is virality, viral content. And you can do that on the explore page, which is right here next to this magnifying glass. And it's working for me. So I'd imagine that it would also work for you guys. I don't even use hashtags. A lot of people think that's crazy, but I don't need them. I get good engagement without hashtags, and so if they're not contributing to my growth in providing value to my account, then I just don't do it. Bottom line. My internet sucks. It's raining. I'm sorry, guys. But you get the point. I mean, there's definitely a science to creating good content. All right, so the main points that I want to emphasize from this video are the following. 1, you need to study. Do your research. Professionals don't go into the field without properly practicing and having a game plan. Whenever you play a organized sport, you're being a professional in your day jobs, you're working at a cashier at McDonald's. There's a game plan in place for you to succeed. And you really got to study and research. Yes, it does take work to achieve that game plan. Don't go in the battlefield unprepared. You want to provide value. Nobody wants to be sold. We don't like to be sold. We're humans. So provide them with value. Give them something to walk away with besides a wasted 10, 15 seconds on your photo. Give them something to talk about with their friends. And you're either going to want to use Fonto or the explore page and find, you know, viral material through that way. I've used both. I currently do both, and I have success with both. It's really up to you, whatever you think is going to work the best for you. And stop using hashtags. I know that everybody thinks I'm crazy, but I'm telling you, I'm on top of this. I'm onto something. Stop using hashtags. You can still go viral, and if you don't believe me, go look at my page at Mr.Smith3. I go viral without hashtags. So it's possible. Quit using them. You're only limiting yourself. There's so many keywords. If you Google banned hashtags, you'll learn. There's no reason for them. So I hope that you gained some value from this. And you go check me out on my website, motivatedempire.com. Join my group on Facebook. The link's above me. And go like my public figure page if you believe that I've earned it.